Today we're discussing something that might sound a bit complex, but is super important if you're in the trucking industry, the IFTA sticker fuel tax. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll understand it like a pro. All right, so first off, what is IFTA? It stands for the International Fuel Tax Agreement, which sounds super official, right? But let's break it down. If you're a trucker crossing state or provincial lines in the US and Canada, you need to keep track of the fuel you buy and use. Why? Well, it's all about tax and making sure each state or province gets its fair share. Now, you might be wondering, why can't we just keep it simple? Imagine if you had to file separate taxes for every state you drove through. That would be a nightmare. That's where IFTA comes in to make life easier. With IFTA, you get a single sticker and one quarterly fuel tax report. It simplifies everything. You pay once and the tax money is distributed among the states and provinces based on where you traveled. Getting the IFTA stickers is a crucial step if you're running a commercial vehicle. It shows that you've complied with fuel use tax laws. Without it, you're risking fines and penalties, and we definitely don't want that. So, how do you actually get your IFTA stickers? You'll need to apply through your home state's Department of Transportation or Motor Carrier Services Office. During the application, you'll provide your business details, USDOT number, and vehicle information. Once approved, you'll receive 2 stickers, one for each side of your truck's cab, and your IFTA license, which you must keep inside the vehicle. Now, here's where movingauthority.com comes in. We know dealing with IFTA paperwork can be a bit overwhelming. That's why we're here to help you get all sorted out with ease. We take the hassle out of the process so you can focus on what's important, staying on the road and running your business. And here's a quick heads up about renewals. IFTA decals expire every year, usually on December 31st, so you'll need to renew before the new year kicks in. If you're caught driving with expired stickers, you could face citations or even temporary suspension of your license. Staying ahead of renewals not only keeps you compliant, but also saves you from unnecessary downtime. So there you have it, a quick and friendly intro to IFTA stickers and fuel tax. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more trucking tips. And of course, if you need help navigating IFTA or any other trucking needs, reach out to us at movingauthority.com or call us at 702-333-2430. We've got your back. Catch you in the next video.
Moving Authority Association. We have been helping people in the trucking industry for over 20 years. Let us help your company today by calling 702-333-2430 or visit movingauthority.com.